As a child, I was taking things apart, taking toys apart, remotes apart, remote control cars, anything that basically had a screw that I could get a screwdriver on, I would take it apart and try to see how it worked. My name is Jeff Taylor. I'm a field service PowerGen technician at the Spartanburg, South Carolina branch. Working with my dad in the garage when I was 5 years old, I still have those memories, and I anchor those garage moments to my father in the same way that I hope my son will anchor the moments that we share in the garage to his family. I always wanted to be involved in something mechanical, so I always knew that I was going to be on my feet and moving around. As a field service PowerGen tech, your job is to go out to customers who can't bring their equipment to a branch. One of the best parts about being a field service PowerGen technician is that you're going to be in a different site almost every day. Factories, hospitals, data centers, and you're going to really see the plumbing and the nuts and bolts of how the world works. The biggest thing about being a technician is having faith that you'll be able to work your way through the problem. You're going to find things that you don't know what's going on, but you have to have faith that you're going to be able to use your skill set and go just step by step. If there's any time where you're in over your head or you have a problem that you just cannot fix, you have a whole network of fellow technicians to lean on. The immediate gratification that you get when you arrive on site and something's broken, and then you use your skill set to repair and fix whatever was broken, and then you see it working and you see the relief, and that immediate gratification is something you don't always get with a lot of jobs. I've always been a gearhead, but I fell into mountain biking because you don't have to title it, you don't have to trailer it, you have all the intensity of riding a motorcycle. Everyone has to climb the same hill. You learn to trust yourself and work through challenges that you face along the path. So everyone looks out for each other in the forest, just like everyone would look out for each other on the shop floor. Working with my son, whether it be on his bicycle or on a Lego set, it's really rewarding to be able to teach and mentor my son, to see him develop his skills and then share it with his friends. Cummins is powering a world that's always on, and you see that as a PowerGen technician from everything from data centers to hospitals to water treatment plants. You see how your work keeps people online and keeps people moving.